Hi, in this video we are going to see how we can format a string in a Java. So we see in a 15 how we can format it, and before 15 how we can format it the string. So now here take one integer value, no string value, just like a order number. So what is the order number, and here value, formatted value. Order number. So for formatted the string we require the string dot format method. So here in a string we can pass %s, %d and %f as we require for as data type. So now here we print out now run the project. Now here order number is and %s, so this order number is replaced with %s means string. So this way we can formatted string. Now in a Java 15 formatted formatted in a parameter we pass number of object. So here I want only order number to pass here, and now I run this program. See, it's working fine. Now see, before 15 we see that string dot format will use for the formatted string, and Java 15 only string dot formatted one method have string. So only passed here number of objects, so it will convert in string format. So this way we can format it the string.